So in this question it is given that a thief in a stolen car passes through a police checkpost at a top speed of 90 km per hour. A motorcycle cop, reacting after 2 seconds, accelerates from rest at 5 meters per second square. His top speed being 108 km per hour. Find the maximum separation between police and the thief. First let us convert this into MKS units. 90 kilometers per hour will be 90 into 5 by 18, which will be 25 meters per second. Similarly, this 108 kilometers per hour will be 108 into 5 by 18, which will be 30 meters per second. Now let us consider the initial situation. Let us take this as police and this as thief. Thief is moving at its highest speed, which is given as 25 meters per second. Policeman is still at rest at t is equal to 0. He reacted at t is equals to 2 seconds. Now see the situation at t is equals to 2 seconds. Policeman just started his motion. Thief will be moving with 25 meters per second in this 2 seconds interval. So thief may be somewhere here. Distance traveled will be s is equals to vt, as he is moving with uniform speed, which will be 25 into 2, 50 meters. Now the police has started its motion. Now we have to find the maximum separation between the policeman and the thief. The condition here is when the separation is maximum, both the policeman and thief will be having same velocity. Here we already know the velocity of the thief, which is 25 meters per second. So let us assume at t is equals to t, the policeman has also got a velocity of 25 meters per second. It is given that acceleration of the policeman is 5 meters per second square. Let us assume thief is somewhere here, and this is our maximum separation. He will be also moving with the same velocity, 25 meters per second. Now consider this police person. He is starting from rest and accelerating at 5 meters per second. The final velocity is 25 meters per second. Apply v is equals to u plus at. We can get the time will be 5 seconds. Means after the starting at t is equals to 2 seconds, he will take 5 seconds to reach this position. So this t will be 2 plus 5, which will be 7 seconds. Now in this time interval t is equals to 2 to t is equal to 7, the distance traveled by the police person will be half at square, as initial velocity is 0, acceleration is 5 and time is 5 seconds. This will be 62.5 meters. Distance traveled by the thief in t is equals to 2 to t is equals to 7 will be vt, as he is moving with constant velocity, which is 25 into 5, which is 125 meters. So the difference in the distance traveled by the police person and the distance traveled by the thief will be 125 minus 62.5, which will be 62.5 meters. And initially we have a separation of 50. So the total separation between them will be distance in the distance traveled and initial distance between them, which will be 112.5 meters, which is option A.